everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this purple galaxy nail design. If you haven't already, be sure to click that bell icon next to the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. First off, we're going to start by applying a base coat and then a black polish. Next, apply some kind of polish barrier around your nail because we are going to be sponging on some polish next. Then, rip off a little piece of a makeup sponge using a pair of tweezers. Apply 1 or 2 drops of a white polish onto a piece of paper. Dip the piece of the makeup sponge into the polish and dab it onto your nail in a diagonal pattern. Repeat this step with the purple polish. The white polish is going to help the purple stand out on top of the black. To blend the colors a little bit better, use the same technique with black polish around the edges. Next, add some highlights with a light blue polish. Once you're done with the sponging, remove the polish barrier. Next, I'm going to apply some glitter just over the purple areas. And with a small dotting tool dipped in white, I'm going to add a few clusters of stars here and there. I'm also going to add in a few cross-shaped stars with a small detailed brush dipped in white. Finally, add a fast-drying top coat, and you're done! Here's the finished design. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram @caramellogram so I can see.